What's up, y'all? David from Gnomes. We got an exciting new product here for you today. This is what we call Gnomes Home Edition. Have an amazing new product from Instapot, America's favorite new home pressure cooker, electric pressure cooker. Let's just open this bad boy up. So we like to do these unboxing videos for only our favorite products. So, oh, what have we here? So this bad boy is from Williams-Sonoma. I know what you all are thinking, is Gnomes going bougie? I had to say that Williams-Sonoma's got some of the dopest stuff around, and we're happy to have an unboxing video with one of theirs. So, are you all ready? So here we have it, Instapot rather. I'm a little nervous. I've never done a home edition of Gnomes, but we're gonna just break it out to you. We're gonna show you the product. Come a little closer. You can see this is in French. So this is a product that's hot all around the world, not just here in the U.S. There's probably gonna be unboxing videos coming at you from France, Italy, Russia, Singapore, all these places, but I'm thanking you for watching ours and keeping it real with us. So here we have the main box that we're gonna be unboxing. 70% faster, one-touch controls, smart, remembers the way you cook, and you can make healthy food with it, which is, you know, big these days. So let's go. I'm sorry for all this, oh my. So in here, if you could bring the camera a little closer, we can see you have a steam rack, condensation collector, measuring cup, various spoons, control panels come with it, as in addition to a manual and a recipe book. So let's just see what we have here. So check this out, the Instapot Duo series. So this is the updated 2018 Instapot manual. So you have a table of contents, the normal stuff, safeguard overviews, getting started, pressure cooking. That's what it's all about these days, people, pressure cooking. So let's just get into this. Oh my. Oh, detachable cord, very nice. So it's gonna make cleanup a whole lot easier. Now, this is what we're here for, correct? The unboxing itself. So beautiful packaging. Your Instapot is going to be nice and safe, as you saw already, the styrofoam packaging. Do we want to have a close-up of the box itself? I think so. I don't know if you've all noticed, you're probably so enticed and fixated on the Instapot and the unboxing that you might not know that I'm wearing an alma mater shirt here, Philadelphia School of Law. You all may not know this. In addition to the unboxing game and running Gnomes, I'm also a lawyer, specializing in bird law. So please, Anjali, bring it a bit closer. The smell, it's got that new Instapot smell, that new pressure cooker smell. So if you look over here, you can see the venting cap. Let's open this up. Oh, hello. What have we here? The various spoons that I was telling you about earlier. You can see them. This thing, I don't know what that is. A spoon of some sort, rice maybe. Another spoon. It's interesting they give you this because a lot of people already have spoons at home, but it's a nice added touch. So in here we have a yellow piece of paper. Oh, wire rag. This is going to be key, I think. So with this, you can steam things, maybe. Unclear. Oh. So y'all come closer, have a look at this. This is the stainless steel. It's a nice, beautiful stainless steel cooking bowl. 2/3 full, 1/2 full. You don't have to think about it. They just put it there right there for you. It's what the difference is between this pot and some lesser electric pressure cookers. So as you can see, everything is here. You can just put this in here. You can steam things. Some of the things here are tech gnomes that we're excited about to cook, or we're gonna be making desserts. So you can put your dessert. You cook your desserts in here. You can do meats, fish, vegetables. If you want to bring it a bit closer, so you put everything in there. What else can you cook? Well, that's all we got. Yeah, and then you just close it down, and as you can see, this is really a revolutionary cooking device. So I think at Tech Gnomes we're endorsing this. It's one of our favorite, most exciting new products for 2018, and I hope you enjoy this unboxing video. As always, you can check us out. Even the home edition is still part of the regular Tech Gnome website, which is, as always, www.techgnomes.ru.atx. Alright, peace y'all. Thanks for checking out our unboxing video. I'm David with Tech Gnomes. Have a good one.